EA, electron affinity. What is meant by electron affinity? The amount of energy released, we added one electron in isolated neutral. The amount of energy released, we added one electron. The amount of energy released, we added one electron neutral outermost shell, added to outermost shell. What is meant by electron affinity? Means the amount of energy released, we added one electron outermost shell of neutral gaseous atom is called what is that one? Means electron affinity. What is meant by electron affinity? Means the amount of energy released when we add one electron neutral outermost shell in neutral gaseous atom is called as a electron affinity. For example, we have to take, this is called as a gaseous atom of oxygen. When we add the one electron, we have to get O minus. Some amount of energy will be released, that is called as a EA1. That is about the electron affinity. That is equals to, we get negative values. Same thing, O minus is the gaseous atom. Now we add the another electron. Now we get O minus 2. It is called as a EA2. Second electron affinity. This electron affinity, when be calculated by Born-Haber cycle. But we don't discuss about the Born-Haber cycle only in a group and period. In a group. What about the in a group? In a group, top to bottom. In a group, top to bottom. In a group, top to bottom, electron affinity EA is decreases. Okay. Now in a period, electron affinity is gradually increases. This is about the electron affinity. The amount of energy released when we add the one electron neutral isolated gaseous atom, it is called as a electron affinity. Now in a electron affinity, in a group top to bottom, electron affinity is gradually decreases. In a period left to right, electron affinity is gradually increases. Now then, second topic is electronegativity. Only IPE purpose we discussed about the IPE purpose, don't about that one. Like that electron affinity will be completed. Then next topic is electronegativity. Okay, next topic is electronegativity. Next one is electronegativity. What is meant by electronegativity? It is short form is EN. What is meant by electronegativity? Means the property of an atom, the property of an atom to attract the property of an atom attract the shared pair of electron, pair of What is meant by electronegativity means the property of an atom to attract shared pair of electron itself towards electrons towards or itself towards. The property of an atom to attract shared pair of electron itself towards the electron. The property of an atom to attract to shared pair of electron attract to itself is known as electronegativity. Okay, the property of an atom attract to shared pair of electron attract itself towards is known as a electronegativity. Electronegativity will be calculating two types of scales. One is Pauling scale and second one is Mulliken scale. Now in a group top to bottom, top to bottom, electronegativity gradually decreases. Okay, now another point, in a period left to right, electronegativity gradually increases. This is about the electronegativity. Electronegativity will be completed and electron affinity also will be completed. Now then another one, electropositivity. Third one, electropositivity means the element which lose the electron from their valency cell. The tendency of an atom lose the electron from their lose the electron. The tendency of an atom lose the electron from electron to form positive ion. Is called electropositivity. Simple. In a group top to bottom, electropositivity gradually increases, and as well as in a period left to right, electropositivity gradually decreases. Why? Because here nuclear force of attraction will be less. That's why easily removal of electron, it is formation of positive charge. In a period left to right, nuclear force of attraction will be high. We have removal of electron, we need more amount of energy. That's why in a period left to right, electropositivity gradually decreases. In a group top to bottom, electropositivity gradually increases. Today session we discussed about the electron affinity, electronegativity and electropositivity. Okay na?